The new 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLB class is an all-new machine, though it does borrow heavily from the compact A class. Whereas that's a small entry-level hatchback or sedan, the GLB class offers buyers a classic SUV shape on a compact platform with something not often found on this level: the option for 3-row, 7-passenger seating. That's a good starting point to discuss the new GLB class, as it's the first compact offering from Mercedes to offer such seating. The optional 3rd row offers accommodations for 2, with cup holders between the seats and USB power ports for phones or other devices. The GLB's side airbags are designed to protect 3rd row passengers, and Mercedes points out the availability of anchor points for child seats. 2 things not mentioned at the rear are headroom and legroom. As a 5-seater, the new GLB sounds a bit more adult-friendly. With the rearmost seats folded, the People Mover offers up to 62 cubic feet of cargo capacity. 2nd row passengers also have the ability to move the seats fore and aft to better accommodate people or things, with 38 inches of legroom available with the seats pushed back. Up front, driver and passenger are greeted with an interior quite similar to the A-Class, albeit with a bit more headroom. A digital cockpit with a 7.0-inch instrument screen and a 7.0-inch center touchscreen display dominate the dash. The latter allows access to a multitude of standard issue tech, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Automakers' MBUX system with voice control is also standard, as are a suite of driver assist systems, including active braking, crosswind assist, and a rear view camera. Optional packages include blind spot assist, navigation, parking assist, larger 10.25-inch displays, an upgraded Burmester surround system, head-up display, and much more. Though the GLB class adopts a more traditional SUV exterior look, it's not quite as boxy as the early camouflage prototypes suggested. Yes, there are A-class bones underneath it all, but the wheelbase is over 5 inches longer than the GLA class and just 1.7 inches behind the GLC class. In its base form, the GLB is front-wheel drive, though we suspect most buyers will choose the optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, which comes standard with an off-road engineering package that adds an additional drive program to the GLB's selectable modes, conquering the roads less traveled with a 50-50 power distribution. Otherwise, 80% of the power goes up front in eco mode with a 70-30 split for sport mode. You won't be surprised to find Mercedes M260 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder or active duty underneath the bonnet. In the GLB class, it makes a modest 221 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque, which Mercedes says is enough to send the small SUV to 60 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds in all-wheel drive trim. Shifting is handled by an 8-speed DCT. At launch, Mercedes-Benz will offer 2 models, the GLB 250 and GLB 250 4MATIC. Pricing will be revealed closer to the GLB's on-sale date, which in the US will come by the end of 2019.